Steve, congratulations. Happy with what you saw from your team today?
Yeah, I've got to be happy. 3-0 away from home in a cup semi-final, and to do it quite comfortably. Yeah, I'm pleased with the lads.
Yeah, I thought we'd done well in patches of the game. I think a few mistakes obviously led to the goals and set pieces, which undone us really.
Look, they made it really tough for us. So I think it was good from the boys just to make it a professional performance. We knew sort of what they were going to bring today, so I think for us it was just about matching that and then that quality then to sort of score when we had the chances.
The goal from the set piece was a bit of a killer, just going in before half time. But yeah, disappointed.
When you come away from home, in especially conditions like tonight, it's important that you sort of control the game. And we didn't necessarily control it in possession, but I felt that our shape was really good and it was really difficult for them to break us down. So the goal before half time was obviously crucial. Another great set piece delivery and a brave header. But then the moment then with the clearance off the line and then the goal. Yeah, goals change games, don't they? And we got them at the right time.
It's no secret that promotion is a priority for you. You've played 4 teams from the Prem. How well do you think you're prepared for going up if it does happen?
Yeah, like I say, we've got a long way to go. We're only halfway through a season. Lots of things can change, so we need to make sure we get it first. And then, like I say, if we do, we need to prepare well. And like I say, you see the standard of the league. In one-off games, you can do well. We need that strength over a full season as well.
I've played TNS, 5 times. We've got a couple of draws, all right, but obviously got a few defeats in there where they beat us convincingly, so we know it's going to be tough. But it's a one-off, innit? It's a final, who knows? So, the boys will enjoy this evening, but also they go one eye on Tuesday.